Hello everyone, back today. I'll take you through the top financial news from India and around the globe from the last 24 hours. Let's dive in. Starting with India. First, Indian stock markets showed some positivity today. After recent volatility, both the Sensex and Nifty saw gains, driven mainly by banking and auto stocks. This recovery has given a breather to investors concerned about global economic conditions. Meanwhile, all eyes are on the Reserve Bank of India. The RBI is gearing up for its monetary policy review, and there's speculation about whether a rate pause or hike is on the cards. Given concerns about inflation and interest rates globally, this decision is going to be crucial for businesses and borrowers alike. India's manufacturing sector continues to show resilience. The latest PMI data reveals growth, although at a slightly slower rate than before. This signals a stable economic environment, with demand staying robust despite some challenges. On the trade front, India is negotiating several free trade agreements, FTAs, aiming to boost exports. Talks with the UK, Canada, and the EU are progressing, which could unlock new opportunities for Indian businesses in international markets. Finally, the Indian rupee has seen a slide against the US dollar, influenced by higher crude prices and a strong dollar index. Importers and those dealing in foreign currencies will be watching closely, as this could impact trade balances and input costs. Now let's turn to the global scene. In the US, tech stocks are feeling the heat. After a long bull run, giants like Apple, Amazon, and Meta are seeing declines amid rising bond yields and uncertainties around the Federal Reserve's interest rate policy. Investors are reassessing their tech holdings as a result in Europe. Inflation remains a top concern. The Eurozone continues to face elevated inflation, and the European Central Bank, ECB, is under pressure to manage it while supporting growth. The ECB's moves will be critical for the region's economy in the coming months. The energy markets are buzzing too, with crude oil prices on a volatile ride. OPEC Plus has made fresh production decisions, which have affected prices. Global markets are closely watching supply and demand, as energy prices play a crucial role in influencing inflation worldwide. In Asia, China's economic health is a hot topic. Recent data show mixed signals. Some sectors are stabilizing, but others lag behind. Policymakers are taking steps to stimulate the economy, but the results are still unfolding, leaving global markets on edge. Lastly, let's talk cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and other digital assets have been on a bumpy ride in the last 24 hours, with prices swinging wildly. Factors like regulation, macroeconomics, and speculation continue to drive volatility, keeping crypto investors on their toes. That wraps up today's quick look at the top financial news from India and around the world. If you found this summary useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.